Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm showing you right now some fragments of our latest video regarding how to create a VPN server in the Unifi Dream Machine or the Unifi Dream Machine Pro. Both of them set up with the basic configuration of the radius server of the VPN as you saw in the previous video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create the firewall exceptions for you to be able to remotely access files located in a Windows server. Something that might not be necessary in case that you have created the remote access server within a Windows domain, so it automatically will create the firewall exceptions. After we created the lab VPN that you saw on the previous video, like I said, and once you are connected, you might be able to tell that once you try to access from either from your Android devices or Windows devices for that matter, any Windows server, it will not connect and you will get a rejected connection. Well, what do you have to do in order for you to create the correct exceptions in the Windows firewall? The first thing that you need to realize is that you are not in the same subnet that you have the rest of the computers. Remember that you created that subnet when you were creating the lab VPN connection from your UDM. So the first thing is that we need to go to the advanced configuration of the firewall. We're going to go to the inbound connections and we're going to create the following exceptions. I don't have it in English, but I'm going to point to you to the right exception. Right here, we're going to go to the SMB in to the local subnet. Okay, so that is the first one that we're going to go to the scope right here, scope, and we're going to add the new subnet that is going to be connecting to that particular Windows server. In this case, I'm gonna create the 192.168.3.0/24, which is exactly what I'm saying right here. Those are the IP addresses that are being assigned to remote accessed clients. Then we're gonna go to the second exception we're going to create, which is gonna be sharing files and be in files and printers and be in local subnet again, and we're going to add again the scope corresponding to that particular IP address range. We do exactly the same for the other two exceptions that we need to create. We're gonna go now to the NB name in local subnet key in order for us to open that UDP port to the subnet that we are using remotely. Finally, we're gonna go to the last exception that we're going to create. You can either select to open these exceptions or to create these exceptions from the sharing files and folders group, or you can open directly the ports. We have created these three. The last one is gonna be this local subnet again for the same scope, and you're done. You're gonna be able to tell if you have done a good job just by browsing the files. As a summary, in English, if you have your computer running in English, these ones are the exceptions that you need to open in those corresponding ports, so you'll be able to browse your files and folders as if you were locally connected from a computer to your local area network. That's checking it out. It would be as simple as this. You're browsing this computer remotely from Windows computer connected to the VPN server that you created in the UDM Pro. And in this case, doing the same from an Android device. It works just flawlessly. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Remember that your support comes from liking this video and subscribing to our channel. I hope it was of great help. See you next time.